In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dollar cost average when buying stocks or ETFs on Robinhood. This is a fantastic strategy for both beginner and seasoned investors, and it can really help you take the emotion out of investing while building your portfolio over time. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, open Robinhood on your PC. If you haven't already, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, use the search feature or scroll through your watch list to find the stock or ETF that you want to invest in. This could be any company or fund you believe in and want to add to your investment lineup. After you've selected your stock or ETF, look for the trade button, which you'll typically find near the top right of the screen. Click on it and then select the buy option from the pop-up or menu that appears. This will take you to the purchase screen. Now, instead of entering the number of shares you want to buy, Robinhood lets you choose exactly how much money you want to invest. This is really useful, especially if you're focusing on a set budget rather than purchasing whole shares, which can sometimes be quite expensive. In the amount field, type in the specific dollar amount you'd like to invest today. Once you've filled that in, take a moment to review your purchase. You'll see the current price and how many fractional shares your money will buy. When you're ready, click Review Order to double check everything is correct, and then press the buy button to complete your purchase. That's it. You've just made an investment. Now, to really take advantage of dollar cost averaging, you'll want to repeat this process on a regular basis. This could mean you invest the same dollar amount every week, every month, or whatever schedule works best for you. Consistency is key. By investing the same amount at regular intervals, you'll automatically buy more shares when prices are lower and fewer when prices are higher. Over time, this can help average out your purchase price, making your investment less sensitive to short-term market swings. This dollar cost averaging strategy is especially helpful because it reduces the risk of trying to time the market. It smooths out price fluctuations and helps you stay committed to your investment goals, even when the market gets volatile or unpredictable. So, to recap, just remember to log into Robinhood on your PC, go to the stock or ETF you want, select trade, choose buy, enter your investment amount and confirm your order. Stick to a regular schedule, and over time, you'll be putting the power of the dollar cost averaging to work for you. Thanks for watching and happy investing.